Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. My name is Sharvari Phatak and today I'll be talking about my personal self-care routine. So coming to the basics, what exactly is self-care? Self-care is what you do for yourself when you want to get into a better state of mind or have a good well-being. Now, everyone should have their own personal self care routine, and I think we unconsciously all do. But this is an issue which I have talked about in many of my posts prior to making this video. But people tend to judge each other for how they practice self care. It is every person's personal choice of how they exactly have a coping mechanism, and I think it is not for us to dictate how a person should heal or recover or take care of himself. Which is why today I'll be sharing how I take care of myself and how I practice self care whenever I get into some problem or I just want to keep healthy overall. Whenever I go into a problem, the first thing I do is analyze the situation. Now, this would be similar to overthinking. Yes, I wouldn't encourage it, but I would confess to all of you that yes, I do have the trait of overthinking. However, overthinking is only okay if you have an expiry date for that. After that point, you just have to accept that a solution has to be found and not just go on with the process of overthinking. And that is why this stop point is very essential for those who practice self care by first overthinking. So I overthink, but after that, I think about the possible solutions that could be involved in the process of how the problem could be solved. Now, overthinking is something that we all do, but I think there are two types of things. The first is things that are in your hand, the second is things that are not in your hand. Anxiety stems from thinking about the things that are not in your hand. And I know it is inevitable, we tend to do it very unconsciously, but instead direct your attention towards the things which are in your hands so that you can make your case strong to defending the things that are not in your hands. This is my first tip or my personal preference as to how to deal with an issue. The second is that I talk to my parents. So you always have that confident person and the one who knows everything about you and guides you in a great direction. It may be your parents, your grandparents, a friend, a relative, like a cousin. But it is very important for you to talk about what you are feeling. And even though it may be a problem or on a general basis, talking is really essential. The third is to be very, I would say, to relax basically. So some people do this by expensive bubble baths or eating chocolate, but I personally like to disconnect. I am a very avid reader from when I was a small girl, so I tend to just disconnect from my phone and take out an old book, and even though how many times I have read it, I still continue to read it, is how I disconnect. Or I sometimes just limit my Instagram activity, just unfollow pages which I think are becoming a trigger for me, and that is how I personally implement self-care. For me, I'll be very honest with you, I tend to get overwhelmed whenever some new page comes up or something that I don't have, and it is what all of us do, comparing each other on social media. Instead, follow people who inspire you, motivate you, and that will really put you in a better mind state as compared to before. So I end this video by saying, don't judge each other's self-care choices. Create your own self-care routine or learn to identify what gives you your own happiness or puts you in a better mind state. And do practice self-care as it has become the need of the hour. Just stay happy, healthy, and in a good mental state. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be posting videos every Friday now, so make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow my page Magical Tomorrow on Instagram too, where you can find more content related to psychology, well-being and mental health. Stay tuned, I'll be back with a new video next Friday, and if you have any suggestions for a video, do direct message me or comment down in the comment section below, and I'll make sure I will read and consider your suggestions. Thank you everybody. I hope you have a great week ahead and we'll meet the following week. Thank you and bye.